Hey guys, let's unbox this 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure. I got this to use with my computer so I can have my SATA drive here and read them on my computer. See here the information, SATA III, 5 gigabits per second, hard drive with 2.5 inch and SSD 2.5 inch as well, right? Let me just open this up. It comes with a seal here. I need to remove it. There we go. And just check what's inside. And you see, pretty nice. It's a plastic one, but the feeling is pretty good. Looks like it has good quality. Let me just check what else I have here. Only the quick guide. So that's the way you can use it. Let's see here. There we go. See? Just open it up, insert your drive here, and connect to your computer. You also have here the information that you can use with USB-C and USB-A, I think. There's a rotation here. Let me just check. There we go. I remove here, and I see USB-A. Rotation, how does rotate? I don't know. Let me just check. Ah, there we go. See here, USB-C. Yeah, super simple. And you can use this way. How you can open this, let me just check. Yeah, I can just push the way. And there we go. Okay, some plastic here. With the EVA for HDD and EVA for SSD. So I think I have everything that I need. I just connect my hard drive here, connect to my computer, close this down, and I'm good to go. So super simple to use, right? And it's pretty affordable as well. So this is just a quick unbox. You can get yours on Amazon. And if you like this video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next one.